Want to publish your course on LearnWorlds? In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can get your content out there quickly and easily. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial for LearnWorlds, but I'm also going to introduce some alternatives that could better meet your needs. You won't want to miss it. First, let's start by signing up or logging into your LearnWorlds account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. This is simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, head straight to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your home base for everything course related. Next thing, to publish your course, you need to create your course content. Head over to the Courses section in your dashboard and click on Create a Course. You'll be prompted to add a title, description, and a thumbnail image. This is your chance to make a strong first impression, so make sure your title is clear and descriptive and your thumbnail is eye-catching. Once you've filled out the basic details, it's time to dive into the actual content. LearnWorlds lets you upload videos, add quizzes, assignments, and even drip content over time. This is really powerful for keeping your students engaged. Make sure to organize your modules properly. LearnWorlds allows for a pretty flexible structure, so take your time here to create a smooth learning experience. The third thing, now, you'll want to set up your pricing and sales options. Head over to the Pricing tab, where you can set your course price and choose whether you want to offer a one-time payment or a subscription model. You'll also find options for discounts and coupon codes here, so you can run special promotions for your students. Next, make sure your course looks great on both desktop and mobile. LearnWorlds has built-in tools to customize the look and feel of your course, so don't skip this step. A clean and professional layout can make a big difference in user experience and course completion rates. The fourth thing, it's time to set up your payment methods. LearnWorlds supports a wide range of payment options, including PayPal, Stripe, and others. Go ahead and link your payment account and double-check that everything is configured to your liking. After all, getting paid is the whole point. Once everything is set up, hit the Publish button and voila, your course is live. But remember, LearnWorlds also gives you the option to preview your course before going public, so be sure to check it over and make sure everything is perfect. So, here's the deal. While LearnWorlds is a solid platform for course creators, it might not be the best for everyone. It's great for those who want an all-in-one solution, but if you're looking for more advanced customization or a better sales funnel, you might want to check out some alternatives. I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits on LearnWorlds, so make sure to grab it before it's gone. But if you're looking for something that better fits your goals, I've also included some amazing alternatives that come with a free trial too. These options are more suited for those who need more flexibility or powerful marketing tools to really scale up. Check the first link in the description for the best deals and the full details on your exclusive extended free trial. See you in the next one.